Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please press the bell icon to receive notifications when I post more videos. The leather cover of my shoe is damaged and it is in good condition, so I decided to repair it. I used this glue and this brand. Be sure to wear a mask when using it. Because of the smell of glue, it's better to do this outdoors. If you like my video, please press the like button. Allow 2 days for the shoes to dry completely. I use black acrylic paint to make the shoes black. This option is optional. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you. Bye bye.